it raw. And by that I mean how to make your food healthy for you. Today I'm gonna do 3 different things for you. Um, Amy told me to let y'all see what I'm doing. My little setup here is it's a little crazy, but I'm gonna make 3 things: simple, fresh, raw. Um, that's gonna be very tasty. If you ever want to know how I do it and what I use, you can always inbox me. But I'm gonna show you right quick what I have here. Today I'm gonna make 3 different things. I'm gonna make a zucchini salad, which is cute, real fast. It's a little appetizer, but it's also healthy for you. I'm gonna do 2 different salads with my little green lettuce mix here. I got some spinach and I got some romaine lettuce here together. So, and remember that all this is all fresh vegetable, all fresh fruits. That's where you get your best benefits from. And I also like to use beets. I like to use the beets. The beets is really sweet, and beets are good for your blood. They're also good for your heart. But sometimes it's good to add a little different green. So just gonna cut that off of the red there. I'm adding all this green because all this green is good for your blood and your heart, kidneys, your liver functioning. And here I got a little kale because I want to add a little kale to the salads too. And kale lettuce is good for lowering your cholesterol. And again, like I always say, it's all kind of ways to eat salad, but I'm really actually trying to show people how simple it is to eat raw. They think that to eat raw is just shoving it in your mouth, and it's not. As you can see, just have a bowl with kale, the spinach, lettuce, and a little romaine. I'm gonna stop for a second and get this little simple 1 through 3 on a zucchini. A lot of people don't know that the zucchini has a lot to do with slowing down your age. I'm not saying that you gotta be afraid to get older, but you know, kind of like help you out a little bit there. And I'm gonna add a little Italian dressing for a little flavor to it. That was so simple. There you got a zucchini, which is good for your helping you stay looking young, and some carrots and some tomatoes. Simple as that. Now with these salads, the more you add to it, to me anyway, the better it is for you. I want to make just a regular little salad. I want to add some tomatoes to it. Now we got some okra here. I like to use fresh raw okra because it's good with vitamin B and C, and it has a lot of folic acid. And this one is just going to be a real simple salad, but the whole thing is it has raw fruit and vegetables on it, and this is what I'm showing you by eating it raw. Add as much raw, uncooked. People think that uncooked salads, I should have used a big plate because this is really going to be bigger than I thought. But that was a little red lettuce, red cabbage I mean. This is going to be the second salad, which again is still raw, and we don't really want to put too much cooked things on it. Back there I got some tuna saute, and I'm gonna add a little garlic to that just so you can see. And this is what I mean by eating raw. Raw is not nasty. There we go with that. Now back to this salad right here. Simple salad. You can eat it just like this, or you might want to add a little something to it. So now this one, and because sometimes when you add fruit along to your salad, it kind of brings a little flavor to it. So I'm gonna put a little few mangoes on there. And again, as you notice, all of this is raw fruit and vegetables. Now I know you're wondering now, what is she gonna put on there for flavoring for her dressing? But like I say, you can eat this like this, but how I'm going to eat it is how I encourage people to get as much healthy nutrients in one bowl. Like, you don't want to just eat lettuce. You want to try to get all this, because all of these vegetables and fruits, it has a different meaning to your body. And again, I say, if you want to do this, you cannot eat Burger King in the morning, Kentucky Fried Chicken in the afternoon. Excuse me 1 second. And then try to eat one of these and think that it's going to do something to you, because it's not. You're going to actually have to totally eliminate one of those bad meals or 2 of those bad meals. And I would encourage everybody to let, they tell you to let the first meal of the day be the best meal, but I really would suggest that the last meal of the day is the best, because that's the meal you go to sleep after. And when you sleep, your body is steady, constantly working. Your liver is working, your kidneys is working, your heart is still beating. So that's when your body actually feeds you off of what you ate during the day or what you have just eaten. So I would advise people to try to let that last meal be the best meal, so while you sleep, you got all of this good stuff working on your body. And then when you wake up in the morning, like if you feel like sometimes you wake up and you're tired, you got an attitude, you don't feel like getting up, remember what you ate last night. You had some ice cream, you had some Kentucky Fried Chicken, you had sliced pizza, you had some leftover lasagna. You went to sleep on all that, so you didn't feed your body healthy. So try feeding this to yourself at night and wake up in the morning and see that you're not tight no more. Either that, you're not even mad. Like it's working on your body in a positive way. So I'm gonna add a little bit of carrots. I'm adding all the things that I want. Again, you can take off, you can add any mixture of vegetables and fruits that you want. You make it taste like you want to taste. So that's what I do. I choose all of the vegetables that I like and I add them together to give it a good taste. Now with this one, this is gonna be this is what you call a vegetarian salad, meaning raw vegetables. And they use beans, but I'm gonna add actual beans that I cook myself on top of it. And now you have it. That's a raw salad. That's what I mean by raw vegetables. My next salad. And again, you can still add something on top of that. You can add some tuna fish on it if you want a piece of salmon, however you want to eat it. But just notice that everything in here is fresh and it's raw. And this is what's good for your body. So now the second salad is just going to be really simple. Yep, I'm going to eat both of these salads between now and the time that I get ready to go. And I never did eat avocados. I promised you I never did until I became a vegetarian. I had to think what was good for me, what was best. Avocados is really good. And the decency to pick up the phone and let me know. Now with this one, is where I'm gonna add a piece of salmon. And again, if you notice, That's avocados, red onions, and a mixture of lettuce. All raw vegetables, all raw. I wanted to add a little black beans to this, but you don't have to add black beans to this because this is going to be mine. Now, say for instance, if you just want to feel that, like eating a lot of raw fruit and vegetables, you don't feel full, you still feel empty. Go ahead and add you a piece of grilled fish or something like that. That's just salmon with some onions and some garlic. But I do like to create my own salad dressing. Oops, wash my hand because I licked my fingers that time. But it's one of my homemade salad dressings, which I'm not going to get into that right now, what it's called, but this is what I mean when I say eat raw. The only thing that's cooked on it is the fish, and of course you have to cook that, but this is the way to you know, fix it, make it taste good, also benefit from it. And one more thing before I go, people often ask me, well, Stacey, what do you drink? Like, do you drink sodas? Do you drink? No. When I'm eating, I do that also with my drinks. I create my own. And as you can see here, I have some honey in the bottom of this bottle right here. And you really got to try it because it really makes you feel good. It makes me feel, I'm not going to say young, but I feel like I can still keep going and I'm not tired. My blood pressure is not high. I no longer have high cholesterol, but, and this is also good after you eat anything. Yep, I'm going to add a couple of pieces of mint. Pretty base. And there you have it. This is how you eat it raw. I hope y'all enjoyed that video. Remember, you can always hit me up. I'm not going to give you no whole rundown on them. I always tell you to go back and watch the videos. I'm going to try to make some every time I cook something because I know a lot of people are interested in how to eat healthy and still make it taste good.